Hello, today we are going to discuss about Amazon Bedrock. Before that, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel. Let's discuss about today's topic. Amazon Bedrock is a AWS services that is easiest way to build your applications with generative AI model. They are providing lot of foundation models. Let's discuss one by one. And as I said, it is fully managed services that offers choice of high performing foundation models like here we have different models Clad, Command and Embed, Jurassic, Llama 2, Mistral, Stable Diffusions, and Titan. There are different models they are providing to build your applications. Let me quickly show you how customers are innovating with generative AI on AWS Bedrock. Almost more than 10,000 customers are using AWS Amazon Bedrock. So here you can see they have provided model choice. What you have to say if you want to build your generative AI applications, so they are providing choices of range to select the model. As I said here, we will discuss what is the model will do. Each model we will going to discuss in today's video. Pay attention to this video. And if you want to do any customization to your data set, that also you can do with the model. How you want to for personalized user experience, if you want to do any customization in your responses, that also they are providing. And for rack to deliver more relevant information from the FM is nothing but the foundation models that also they are taking care. And agents, agencies they are using for execute complex tasks across company systems. So let's discuss about choices of model. So this is the choice of model that is available on Amazon Bedrock. The first one is Amazon Titan. So using this model, we can use this for text and image generation and summarization, classification, and question and answering. If you want to do any information extraction, or if you want to do any search from text or image, you can use Titan model. Okay, and when it comes to CLAD, it is used for dialogue, content creation, complex reasoning, creative writing, coding, trained with constructional AI. And command and embed is used to generate text. And also we can use this for summarization, search, cluster, classify, and utilize org. Org is nothing but the rag to retrieve your rag document. So when it comes to Jurassic, it is used to perform a range of tasks including text generation, question and answering, summarization, and lot more. You can explore each model. Just click learn more and then you can explore it. Llama 2, you can use this all. You can use it for natural language tasks like question and answering and reading comprehension. And Mistral AI is used for various tasks like summarization, classification, and text completion to code generation or code completion. That also you can use for Mistral AI model. Basically, you can use for text related stuff. And also, if you want to do any code generation, if you want like ChatGPT, that you can use ChatGPT or Gemini. And also, the stable diffusion model is used to generate image, produce like unique, realistic, and high quality visuals for logos and designs. It looks like similar to Sora and also the Lumiere, the Google one, and the OpenAI model. The stable diffusion model is used to generate image like realistic image. So if you are more curious about that, you just click and learn more about this stable diffusion model. And what are the use cases commonly we can solve using Amazon Bedrock? So here you can see this is the list of use cases we can use for Amazon Bedrock. So if you want to do any text generation, that you can use like such as blog, social media, web pages, everything. So if you want to do any chat, virtual assistants for your own data sets, that also you can do. And text and image search, if you want to do any Q and A with your data or image data or PDF or doc, whatever it is, that also you can do. And text summarization, if you have lengthy or almost like 100 pages of PDF. So you want to just you want to understand about the summary of what the PDF is or what the research paper is. You can do that also using Amazon Bedrock. And also, as I said, you can use it for image generation. It's like a realistic and a visual appealing images. And they are providing free courses also. So here you can see how to get started. AWS providing both training and tutorial for how you can start your journey with Amazon Bedrock. Just click the tutorial and you can start your learning. Like they are providing step by step how to do prerequisites, environmental setup, prompt engineering, text generation, text summarization, question and answering with Amazon Bedrock. Okay, everything they are providing, you just learn, just click one by one to the next page and how you can start with the AWS cloud environment. Everything they are providing, how to access models, so and how to manage the model access, everything they are providing step by step. You would just sit and learn, start your learning activity. And also they are providing some training courses. So it is free only. How to building generative AI application using Amazon Bedrock. So what you have to do is just enroll and start your journey with cloud with using Amazon Bedrock. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries or doubt, please comment below. I will reply as soon as I see. Thank you. Bye bye.